Bhimapaka. There are two types of cooking. One is called Bhimapaka, other is called Nalapaka. Nalapakam, Bhimapakam. Correct? Gujarat people don't know this. When lot of people are eating, one who make good food is called Bhimapakam. And only 2.5% are eating. 2.5 is there, and that's all there. Yeah, I always 2.5, small child is there, 2.5% eating, and who makes good food is called Nalapakam. There are people who make for few people, he can do well, but if it goes more, they cannot handle. And Bhima is another problem, he can't cook for 3%, he has to cook for what? 500 to 5,000. He will take the pumpkin and break with the hand and throw into the dal. That is called Bhima Pakam. That's what he will do. And he was very good in cooking, Bhima Pakam. There are a lot of story among the Bhima. I will tell one story to make the katha interesting. What they call spices in katha. One day Bhima thought I should do Bhagavad Bhajanam. Bhagwan ka naam lena chahiye. And only time available is night only. दिवस में तो मरवानी भी फुर्सत नहीं है हमके मन में। स्वामी जी कथा में कैसे है, मरने की भी फुर्सत नहीं है। मैं कहता हूँ मरोगे तब फुर्सत ही हो जाएगी। Then night started, Krishna Govinda, Govinda. He has no talam, no ragam. It's very difficult to handle those people. He started and clapping already. He's clapping, 12 o'clock night, no Pandava could sleep afterwards because he is doing bhajan. They all lost the sleep. But they can't say no because Bhagwan ka bhajan karta hai, bolege kaise. And he continued up to 2 o'clock probably, Krishna Govinda, Hare Murare. He started. There is no talam, no raga, no everything in music, no melody. We did Bhagwan Nama. Next day there was a meeting which is called emergency meeting, okay? Flash meeting. And we told Vibhusan, we are very happy you are doing bhajanam. There is a way of talking, corporate talking, should know how to talk that way. Very beautiful, bhajanam is very good, Bhagwan loves bhajanam, Krishna must be very happy with your bhajanam, etc., etc. But one thing Bhima you can do, to do bhajanam you should go to quiet place, not this active place. Go to forest and do bhajanam. This fellow is smart, he's not only big but understand also big. He got the message, understood. He said, he cannot handle my music. Yeah. Wife asked the husband, how is my music? Husband said, melodious. You should sing in the TVs and radio. He said, why? He said, I can put it off whenever I want. Relief for me. So he went to the forest, doing bhajan. Nobody to stop and he started. Nobody there to listen. बहुत बढ़िया कीर्तन हो रहा है. That time suddenly a very, very thin guy, just we call a skinny guy. You can count all his thing like that, This India we got people like that. You can see all the bone. What is bone they call that? Ribs. Another name is medical name is what? Sternum. If you do like that, ting will come like that. They are so like that. Very nice. One very skinny person walked in. Night 12 o'clock in the jungle. And suddenly saw Bhimsen. He was alert. Bhimsen came, "Yaha jao." Nobody can go against his will. Why did you come here midnight? He said, if you don't beat me, I will tell you. Okay? He said, yes, tell me, come on. He said, I'm a washer man and washing all the time clothes. Today, my donkey was lost. I was searching for my donkey everywhere and suddenly I heard some sound. And I came running to get my donkey, but I got you. Then he did not wait there because he knows there can be any reaction afterward. He disappeared. Now Bhimsen started crying because आगे भगवान तो नहीं है, एक गधा ढूंढता मेरे पास. Then Bhagavan appeared, Krishna said, you do bhajanam, whatever raga, I don't mind. But most of the people don't know raga, they do bhajan. Why not you also? So, I don't mind. Bhagavan Nam, with the music or without music, is okay. Bhagavan enjoys. But if you do with the music, you'll be more happy. Samagana Priya. Better learn some music and do it. This is Bhimasena was given poison. And all this aparadha, atatai, taken away somebody's property. You know, in this world, in India especially, if you take somebody's property, it is considered mahan aparadha, adharma. Never. If you look at the Indian history, did we ever went out of India to conquer any other country? No. Why? We are not supposed to occupy somebody's land. Encroachment is a papa. And India, what is going on now? Look at it. If you give your house for renting somebody, yadgatva, this fellow will not vacate that place. And government supports that, adharma. It is somebody's, it's your friend. And if you tell this fellow, I got other place for you, come and see, look at it. He said, that is very good. Why don't you go there? He will tell like that. He will never vacate. Gone. And you have to pay him money on the top of it. Very bad. This is called adharma. Our forefathers followed this thing. I'll tell you one thing you also know for dharma. In India, all our forefathers never wrote a will. You know this thing? But there was a will or not? Yes, oral will, correct? They will tell something. All the brothers will listen, sons, and they will follow exactly. And look at our Ramayana. In Ramayana, when Kaikai was encashing her boons, told Dasharatha that you have given me 2 boons earlier. Yes, I'm going to encash it today. Sure. And then she said, send the Rama to the forest for 14 years. What for? I don't know. Suppose Bharata become king, let Rama be there, he doesn't mind. No, let him go to forest. Unreasonable. Second thing, let Bharata become king. Dasharatha tells so many words, don't do that, you are going to kill me, don't do that. What drama has done to you? Already when pleaded the Kaikai, but she will not listen, she will not yield to that. In America, yield is very beautiful. Yield. She won't yield. Now suppose he was a modern husband, Dasharatha, what would have said? You are talking about which promises, okay? Honey, I never gave you any promise. Where is the written? Come on. There was no written proof. Who is the witness? No witness. If you want some sari, Banarasi, I can get you. Forget about these boons. I would have told you or not. Definitely, modern husband, I know them well. When they tell them to take to India, they never take what about others also. So like that. He never. But it was impossible for Dasharatha. He cannot go against it. Even nobody there, but I know, I have given promise. Prana jaye par vachan na jaye. Raghukula ki asi rita chali aaye. When words are given, period. I can't go against it, I have to fulfill it. That is called dharma. He cannot go to adharma. That is Dasharatha. He knows it will cost his life. Without Rama, he cannot live it 1 split second. Rama also respects his father's word, understand? Dasharatha never told Rama directly to go to forest. He knows this has all happened there in the palace. He walked away. When my father respects the promise so much, I also have to respect the words what he has given to other. He walked away. This is called Bharata, our Sanatana Dharma. Understand? Once promise is given, you never go back on your words. So the 6th type of aparadha Duryodhana has committed, and somehow or other I was victimized or something happened to me. I have to fight from his side. If you support an adharma, then you become what? Adharmika also. So that is me, Atatayina himself tells also. But Lord, you can do one thing. Whatever aparatha sahasrani kriyante aharnisham maya, dasoimiti mamatva kshamasva parameshwara. Every day this is our prayer. You know this prayer or not? Yeah, he was Pandit is बहुत विद्वान है. अपराध सहस्राणि अपराध सहस्राणि क्रियन्ते अहर्निशं मया क्रियन्ते अहर्निशं मया दासोऽयम् इति मां मत्वा क्षमस्व परमेश्वर. I do so many omissions and commissions in a day, consciously or unconsciously. Oh Lord, day and night aharnisham, ahani and nisapi. I am your devotee, I have come to your refuge. Please forgive me. Bhagavan has got power to say, okay, parvaila, don't worry. This is also Bhishma Pitama say, I am Atatayi. You came right with the will in your hand to kill me. That was the right decision. And I got up and said, Jai Ho Bhagavan, kill me today. I am very happy. Kill me, Bhagavan. He said so many times. I am ready to die at your Sudarshana. I am ready to die at your hand because I know I will get the best gati. That time, what happened? Look at it. Your Atatai, one more thing. Such a beautiful vigraha of yours. Vapuhu. Vapu means what? From Amrutam Pushnati iti Vapuhu. From whom all the time the nectar flows, that beautiful body of yours. And meet Atatai. I want to hit Arjuna, but you will come in between and take those arrows. Your armor was broken. The shield was broken, and I could see your skin is cut and the blood is oozing out. Who did this thing? I did that thing. And then he said, when you rushed to kill me, that time two things happened. To fulfill my promise that I will make you wield the weapon. Arjuna does not want that to happen. Arjuna thought to protect him. Krishna is taking will of Ratha and moving. He went and held the feet of Lord. Oh Lord, don't do that. Don't go there. You are not doing right. He is holding the feet of Bhagavan, and Bhagavan, what he did, he just put him aside, push him aside. He says in that prayer, Vadartam prasavam abhisasarasa vishayanam shataja pariplataha. And that time you came and I said, Jai Ho, Jai Ho. That sight of you, the glimpse of you, I still remember. That's it. Now you tell me, in this you gave me a victory. It looks